all about our customers. From the very beginning, we chose the name Spotlight because it focuses on our customers and their issues and their challenges, but also how they're able to use Exabeam to solve real business problems. Spotlight is all about our community coming together to learn from each other. I've watched for the past couple days the interactions between our partners and our customers. Everything from discovering a new technical innovation or integration, or how a partner's done it for another customer that might apply back to that customer's use case. So our partners have been able to have that direct experience, that direct exposure to our customers to help them grow their business.